Creative, write it down. For example, when you have a creative idea, whether it's for a story or a picture or a song or anything else, you need to write that idea down. No, you're not going to remember it. No, a couple of quick notes to tell you what it is are not going to be enough. Write the idea down. I don't care if you do it on a napkin, just make sure you get it down. If you've got an image in your head that you think is really, really great and you don't have time to, spend 5 hours on it right now, do a quick sketch. Something that will remind you of it, that you can look at later and go, yes, this is what I'm going to do. Pick up your phone and hum that melody that you just thought of into your recorder. No, you're not going to remember. You need to record it. These tools are crucial because life is busy, life is stressful, life is nuts. And sometimes you get these ideas that are really, really good and you don't have time to develop them right away. Don't lose those ideas. They are really precious things. Write it down, record it, save it in some way. Make sure you have pen and paper. Make sure your phone can record. Heck, walk around with a little voice recorder. They even make them in pens now. You can get in the checkout aisle of a grocery store. Just find a way to record your thought. Don't let it get away from you, creative. That idea just might be the best one you've had yet. Remember, you may not have time to make it now, but that doesn't mean that idea is worthless. Write it down, record it, keep it. And then when you have a chance, sit down with me and let's make something new.